Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bella here from Rachel Bella Crafts, and I've been so busy. As you will have seen my collaboration video yesterday, I made that a week ago, so I've been busy all week. That's why I've been so quiet, because I'm just throwing myself into this project of the collaboration. And I thought I'd just pop on and say hello, and I hope you're all well, and thank you for your lovely comments on all the videos that you've watched while I've been away. And I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. Now, I know I showed you in the collaboration painting I did, and that was that one, but I've decided to put her in the middle. And I've got a lot to show you, so I'm going to start with the cover. I'm going to put those over there. I'm going to show you the cover that I made, and it's taken me the whole week just to decide what I'm going to do on the cover. So that's what I've done so far, and I've decided to do the tabs. I've forgotten what this is called now, but that's what I've decided to do, so they'll be like that. And I got out my Christmas one, to tell you the truth, and I was inspired by what I'd done in the Christmas one. And this is what I bought this week, and I decided to go all the way around the edge on these because I thought it looked really pretty. I've got to confess, I'm not going the red route and the purple route with the collaboration, because I prefer pastel colours. That's what I'm trying to say in a roundabout way. But I have put on here, that's what I did yesterday. And I put that on the front, and I've got that in glitter. Now my camera is higher up, and I'm not using the other thing because I've got so much to show you, so I can't see now whether you're in shot. But as long as I stay on this mat, I believe I'm okay. So that's the cover, front and back. That's the inside. Haven't done anything there yet because I'm waiting for some inspiration from the collaboration. I have done quite a bit already, but I'm just waiting to see what the other ladies are doing. I've just done this now in reverse to what I did in yesterday's video. I've actually put the paint over the top, and it's this paint here. If I could just stretch up, I'm so sorry. This one here and the white, and I've used that, okay? And then I've just gone over with the stickles, and I've just glued this on now. That's why I haven't put it onto the back, and I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. She's so beautiful. I've fiddled and I've dilly-dallied with where I'm going to place this, because it's backed with the paper that I made with the jelly print in, but I thought she would be rather lovely on here on the back to complement the front. I know they're different, but I have got stickles on there, and there is paint on there because that was the painted with the jelly print. But see how different they are when you do that. And that's a good example, actually. I printed onto the jelly print paper that I painted, which is the purple there and this one. And then in reverse, this is just the digi, and I've just gone over it with dry brush, and it's very, very different. So that one now is hiding her face, whereas I've gone over the top. You can see the butterfly quite clearly. I hope I'm making myself clear. I regretted putting that pink on there. I may try and get it off, but the other pink went beautifully with it. She was so beautiful. I was in two minds whether to paint her or not, and Rachel has just been, and she's just left me some happy mail, which I'll show you in a moment. And I'm thrilled to bits with it. But that's what I've done so far. And I'm going to put her on the table because she's drying. So that is the cover, okay? And I'll open it out like that. And I've done 3 signatures, and I'm thinking to myself that I think this is going to be a bit of a gator mouth, because I haven't put anything in it yet other than put these on, which I'll show you in a second. All right, so I'm not worrying about it being a gator mouth, because sometimes I think some things call for being a gator mouth, don't they? So I'll just show you the work I've done in the signatures. I'll pop that over there out the way so it doesn't distract you. And I'll do this one at a time. I haven't stitched them in yet because I'm still plotting and planning. This is what I made in the collaboration. I've made some of this nice stickles on there. That's one of the envelopes which I haven't dressed yet, but I'm thinking that might go in there when I put some lovely trims on there. That I'd already had, so I thought I'd use that as a tab. I found a lovely doily to go on there. That's out of one of my lovely flower books. There she is again, look. So you can see the difference. She's quite different. And I've got my baubles on there, baubles. I've done some doodling here, and I've put some vellum in as well. It's very thin vellum, it's not the thick vellum. It's more like tracing paper, but it's quite thin, which I like. So I've left space for pockets, which I haven't made yet, but I just wanted you to see how far I've got so far. I made that day before yesterday. I made a little cluster to go on there with the butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful kit. I'm thrilled to bits with the kit. This is an old ledger book I've taken that from. That's that. And this I'm going to leave like this because I quite like it. And there's a little tuck there, so I'm going to put, because I've got lots of these that I've yet to use from Rachel's kit, and they are so lovely. So I shall be making little tags to go in there. Okay, so that's that one. I'm going quickly because it's quite a lot to see. And I made a lovely little flip down there with that. And that is gorgeous. I thought that was quite bohemian. And I already had that. I'd made that. That was in my stash. And I've just used the back where I did the jelly printing. And I put one of Rachel's labels on there. I think it was Rachel's. Oh, I'll leave that. I'll put that back on afterwards. That I did. That's the jelly print that I did. And I've done some doodling on there. And there's my lovely trim that I've bought. And that's gone on there. And I could do some more work on here if I wanted to. There's so much scope with this kit. It's just unbelievable. And I think I shall be working on it with it for a long time. Because it's just so versatile. She's lovely. I'm really thrilled with this. Now, this is the one that I've jelly printed, and then I printed in the printer the actual digi over the top, as I showed you yesterday. There's one of the lovely envelopes. That's going to go in there, and I just pop that in there for the moment. And that's a little pocket I've made so far. Put lovely trim down here. I've got lots of trim. I've got a basket full of trim over there. I made that yesterday. No, I'm telling fibs. That was in my cluster box because I thought lovely pink on there will go beautifully with this. Some cross stitches on there. Slow stitching. More or less the same as the other one. I've just put that in there. I'm just trying it out. I'm not sure I'm going to leave it in there, but I thought I would try it anyway. And this one, there's a pocket here. And if I lift that out, and there's a little pocket there. So that's a little tuck there. Some more vellum there. Isn't that pretty? That's one of the backing pages out of the kit. That's out of one of my books. Some music paper. And I made a little tab here, which I thought was rather nice. Aren't they gorgeous? As I say, you could do whatever you wanted on these, really. I wouldn't never put a pocket on there, but I certainly might, you know, do some drawing on there or do something. But they're so lovely. I mean, they're great as they are, actually. So, yeah, there's the other tuck. This I love. I've got, they're on a row. Here they are. Managed to pull that over. I put some washi tape on there to keep them together, but they are strung out like that. So I've just cut one off there and put that up there because I thought the colours went beautifully. Isn't this lovely? I'm so thrilled with this kit. And these are some little trims I bought in my local haberdashery in the fabric shop. And the little bows, okay? And they're shiny. And these are little butterflies, which I haven't used yet, I don't think. But they are available for me to use. And that's that one. And I put some paper on there. So the last one As I say, I haven't gone down the red and purple route, as I know Rachel is going to probably, but I would just adore the pastel colours, and I still think it does still look boho style. And there's lots to be done yet. There's a tuck here. There's still a lot to be done yet. There's some cross stitching on here. And I'm really enjoying this. And I've been gardening as well as, I don't know why that's in there. And because this paper was torn in the middle there, I just thought I'd put some of the kit paper on there, front and back, to hold it together. And I did the same inside there, so that shouldn't come apart. And I made a tuck out of that one, so that will be a tuck there. And I've glued it to the page. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful colours. Beautiful, beautiful watercolour colours. Now this is a tuck as well, up here, and I've just I've turned this page over, whereas in the others I've tucked it up. I tucked that one down, and then I put 2 layers of lace on there to make a tuck. And I have glued that, so there's only 1 tuck there. Okay. So that's that, and I've yet to do something on there, and I've made this into a tuck, and that will be a big pocket there. So I might put some goodies in there. And that's got one of these seals that I made. I don't know whether you can see it. A wax seal. That's a dragonfly on that one. A butterfly on that one, I think. Or dragonfly, I'm not sure. And I've just layered it up. And I'm really pleased with that page. Yeah, because that goes like that. And that goes over like that. And that is actually glued down. To tell you the truth, I forgot. I meant to do it there, and I forgot. We do that sometimes, don't we? We forget. But that's okay. So there's another cluster on there. Isn't that wonderful? So I've really, really enjoyed working with this. And to be honest, I've been enjoying myself because I've been doing gardening and working on this, and I've just enjoyed the peace and quiet, and I've had some me time, as we call it, and I've really enjoyed it. So here I put some lace on the bottom, and I've got some of this lovely, what are these called? I thought of them the other day, but it's gone. You know what they are, these shiny things. You're shouting at me now, aren't you, telling me what they are? So that's on there like a skirt, and that will be the back one. That will be the middle one, and that will be the front. And I put a little cluster on here as well. So it's got a lot of work going into this, and I'm really, really enjoying it. And tomorrow I should be making some tags and some pockets. So if you'd like to join me tomorrow when I make some tags up and some pockets, then please come along and follow along and see how I'm getting on with this journal. And I just want to show you what Rachel's brought down for me, because she showed it in her. I have got some of my own things ready. I'm going to use some of this. This was off that lovely dress that I bought, children's dress. I've got some of that, which goes nicely with the pink. She gave me some of these dream catchers, and some elephants and some brads. And if you've seen Rachel from Rachel Umbrella Craft, she was showing these yesterday that she had. She'd bought those. What was I showing you? Oh, this. And I thought the pinks and the green go beautifully. So I should be finding a place for that to go. It won't go on the front because it's turquoise, but I think then it'll start to get more bohemian. But this I bought last year, I think. Absolutely beautiful, and I can't remember the shop I bought it from, but if Rachel tells me, I'll put it in the bottom. Isn't that gorgeous? And they're all in these shades, the same shades. Sequins, that's the word. Sequins. Isn't it funny how we forget words? Isn't that absolutely stunning? So I'm going to have to think about this, because this is going in a totally different direction with this colour now. Now this one will work perfectly in there, I think, because it's got lovely pink in there, if you can see. And these are my own. These are not what Rachel brought for me, so I just wanted to show you those. But she did bring me, she had this sent to her, and it's L.A. Hay Treasures, L.A. Hay Treasures, and she was showing this as a show and tell, and she brought it over for me, and I've got some goodies in here, and I was thrilled with it that she brought over these lovely, oh, I didn't see that. Oh, isn't that cute? That is so cute. Ah, I've got pills. Oh, lovely. Those I definitely will use. So I've got lots of treasures in there. It is like a little treasure box, isn't it? I've got some new washi in here, look. And what was in this one? Oh, they were little stickers. So you've probably seen all this, so I won't go through it all again. But I just wanted you to see what she shared with me. Put that down there. And she brought me 2 bags as well. I banged my lamp then, sorry. So this was what she had bought, I believe. I'm trying to remember what she did now, whether she bought these online. I think she did. I'm thrilled that I've got some of these. It's going in a different direction, so I tell you what I think I might do. I might make a small boho journal and go mad and do something with golds and reds and purples and, you know, real boho. And I think I could manage a smaller one. But when I saw the beautiful pastels in her, oh, aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. That is stunning, isn't it? Wow. Thank you, Rachel. Beautiful. And I can see something yummy by here. Isn't that? Oh, no, that will go in mine. So I shall leave that out. That colour there will go in mine as well. And that one. I'm using pinks and this lovely turquoisey colour. Look at this. Now, looking at that now, it looks green, but yeah, it is green actually. But I think it would work. Yes, it's going to work, I think. I think that will work, so I'll leave that one out. Put that one there with that, or over there with those. So I've got lots of yummy things to play with now, and I think I'm going to make 2, because all these lovely colours are sort of speaking to me now at the moment. Let me see that one there. Oh, it's a trim. Oh, that's lovely. So that's, the light is so bad in here. Yeah, that's green. Green and gold. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I think I'm going to make 2. But 1 small one and 1 big one. Just look at that red there. Isn't that stunning? Can you see it? And what was in here? Oh, she gave me a little bundle of pretties. I can use that one in this one. And then we'll see how wild we can go with a smaller one. Maybe I'll do a TN one, a Traveller's Notebook one. Maybe I'll, oh, I didn't see these. Oh, fabulous. Oh, no. Jelly printing, yes. Ooh, right, okay. I should be doing another session with that. And these brads and the boho are going to come in very, very handy. So thank you, Rachel. And thank you all for watching. I'm sorry it's not a crafting video, but I just wanted you to see what I've been up to and to just say that I'm okay, I'm fine. I've been in the garden. The weather is absolutely amazing at the moment, and I'm just going to make the most of it. And of course, we're getting ready for the retreat as well. So if you haven't signed up for the retreat yet, there's a couple of places left. Go over to Rachel and Bella's Facebook page, which is Junk Journal Trading Post on Facebook, and all the information is on there, and you've only got to ask one of the admin team and they will point you in the right direction towards Rachel. Okay, so I shall see you again tomorrow, and thank you very much for watching. So bye for now.